Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I'm going to share how to prepare Methi egg Bhurji, a healthy breakfast recipe using fenugreek leaves. Spice up your mornings with a super quick, tasty, healthy breakfast. Eggs are protein rich and Methi is iron rich. Methi also reduces cholesterol and blood sugar levels, so it's very diabetic friendly. This recipe is an easy way to include Methi regularly in your diet. I've taken 4 eggs, 1 bunch of chopped methi leaves, 2 medium-sized onions thinly sliced, 1 medium-sized tomato deseeded and chopped. Take any spice powders according to your preference. I've taken turmeric powder, chilli powder, Kashmiri chilli powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and ginger garlic paste, and 2 tablespoons oil or butter. In a hot pan, add oil and sliced onions with a little salt to help them cook faster. Toss onions until they turn crisp and golden. Then add the spice powders and ginger garlic paste. Toss them in low flame for a minute. Next, add the chopped methi leaves, a half teaspoon salt. Mix and cook uncovered in medium flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the methi leaves are well cooked and combined with the masala. Now add tomatoes. Give a good mix and cook tomatoes until they turn soft. Spread the masala in a single even layer. Now break open the eggs. Do not mix now. Cook the eggs covered and simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. The eggs are now well set. Gently break the yolks. Continue cooking in low flame and gently scramble the eggs without overmixing them. Methi egg Bhurji is now ready. This makes a delicious and spicy, quick, healthy breakfast. Goes well with buttered toast or roti. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future video updates. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.